Okay, my presentation is the effectiveness of baby wipes, specifically Members Mark, and disinfecting wipes, the Nice and Clean, in disinfecting surfaces. The experiment was done by myself, Erin, Skylar, Bree, and Lily in Microbiology Lab C2 under the instructor Manish Kumar. So cleaning wipes are used to clean a large variety of surfaces. And there are different wipes that are used for different areas. So if you are going to clean like a hard surface like in a bathroom or something, you'd probably use disinfecting wipes. The active ingredient in the Nice and Clean disinfecting wipes is ammonium chloride. And that is commonly used in cleaning solutions called quaternary ammonium chloride compounds, which are comparable to bleach, and they're actually often used in hospitals because they are actually really good at killing the COVID-19 virus. Baby wipes are used to clean babies, probably when changing them or if they get messy. They're thought of to be gentler than disinfecting wipes, and the type of wipes that we use was marketed towards sensitive skin. The active ingredient in Members Mark baby wipes is phenoxyethanol, and that ingredient is becoming a lot more common in baby wipes. Previously, it was used as a preservative in cosmetics because it prevents bacterial growth. So the question that we had was, are baby wipes or disinfecting wipes more effective in killing bacteria? My hypothesis was that disinfecting wipes are going to be more effective because the active ingredient is ammonium chloride. So the materials that we used was the Members Mark baby wipes, the Nice and Clean disinfecting wipes, 15 swabs, 15 nutrient agar plates, and sterile water. Each person used 3 nutrient agar plates, 1 for the control, 1 for the disinfecting wipes, and 1 for the baby wipes. The swab was wet with sterile water, and then we swabbed the dirty part of the floor. The swab was then used to streak the control plate. Half of the control area of the floor was cleaned with the baby wipes, and the other half was cleaned with the disinfecting wipes. To clean it, the floor was just rubbed vigorously for a few seconds with the wipe. So another swab was wet with the sterile water and then swabbed the baby wipe side of the floor and then streaked the baby wipe nutrient agar plate. A third swab was wet with sterile water and then swabbed the disinfecting wipe side of the floor and streaked the disinfecting wipe nutrient agar plate. The plates were incubated for 24 hours at 37 degrees Celsius in room air. 5 trials were done, 1 per person, so 5 people were in my group. So the results. This experiment was done to find out if baby wipes or disinfecting wipes are more effective in reducing the bacterial growth. The dirty floor averaged 33.8 bacterial colonies without the use of any cleaning wipes. The Nice and Clean disinfecting wipes averaged 1.8 bacterial colonies, so that was a 94.7 decrease. The Members Mark baby wipes averaged 2.6 bacterial colonies, which was a 92.3% decrease in bacteria. This is a graph illustrating the number of bacterial colonies before and after use of the cleaning wipes. So this one is the baby wipes. You can see the control of before and then the average number of colonies after. And this is the disinfecting wipes. Here is the before and here is after. You can see that it is a huge drop. The disinfecting wipes does have less than the baby wipes. On this graph it looks to be about half as much as the baby wipes. This figure shows the percent decrease in bacterial colonies after the use of the cleaning wipes. It is out of 100, so quite high. They were both in the 90s. You can see that the disinfecting wipes is a little bit higher than the baby wipes, so they were a little bit more effective. The results of this experiment only partially support my hypothesis. The disinfecting wipes were a little bit more effective than the baby wipes at stopping the bacteria from growing. However, this probably is not because the baby wipes are gentler. The difference was really close, so it's possible that the active ingredients, phenoxyethanol and ammonium chloride, might be similar and comparable, and the phenoxyethanol doesn't seem to be any gentler. This may suggest that the ingredient phenoxyethanol should not be used in baby wipes if they're going to be marketed towards sensitive skin and being gentle on babies. Phenoxyethanol is also a recognized irritant by the FDA, and it has been shown to cause damage to the liver and the blood cells. Those results were not from a disinfecting wipe, but they were from when it was used in a cosmetic cream, so it was still going on the skin. Based on the results of my experiment, I do not think that phenoxyethanol should be used in an ingredient for baby wipes directly onto the skin. However, this experiment was not designed perfectly. If I were to do it over again, I would have a control plate for each different kind of wipe instead of just the one control plate for both of them. I would also say that more experiments need to be done on phenoxyethanol in baby wipes before doing anything drastic like taking it out of everything. I would suggest that the next experiment done should be testing the phenoxyethanol in the baby wipes on the skin, because that's what it's marketed for, instead of the floor. And here are my literature cited.